Hello,
Hello,
everybody.
everyone. It's me.
This is my wife, and she's going to be making her Philippine style boiled mussels recipe for you guys today. And
Yeah.
it's a really simple recipe. It's only got 3 ingredients plus the mussels, but she's going to walk y'all through it. She's going to show you how to make it.
So now I'm starting to reheat the pan. I'm just waiting for it to reheat. Now we have cleaned the mussels. I cleaned them. Don't worry, guys. I cleaned them. And then we need. This is like a Filipino version of how we boil seafoods. We uses soda. Sometimes it's Sprite, 7 Up, Pepsi, Coke. We use it like even Royal. We uses it because it turns the what do you call it, seafoods a little sweeter. And then magic syrup, just a little. There he is. And then some peppercorns again. The reason why it's open because it has this lid. Like this is a grind. So since we need the whole peppercorn, so we need just this long. We're gonna put it at there at the side. So I think this is hot. Yeah, it's hot. We're now gonna put the mussels. There, it goes na. So we don't need to reheat this. We just go straight. Put the Pepsi. You can use any soda if you want. Try it. It's sweet. It's like I think you do that to your crawfish.
Yeah, sometimes we do uh, put soda in recipes in the U.S.
Yeah. So
Sometimes Mexican recipes have sodas in it too.
yeah, and now we put some peppercorns. Maybe 6 pieces. We're not gonna put a lot because this is just few. Maybe
Just
that's six.
maybe just a few
And
pieces of peppercorns.
yeah, and then a pinch of magic syrup. I don't want to pinch, so I just put. So let's mix a little just for the other ingredients to mix up lang. Submerge the whole thing and then boil it for 5 minutes. That's it. That's easy. Easy
Fast and easy
peasy.
recipe.
Yeah,
Easy peasy muscle squeezy.
that's it. So
But,
that's it. That's how you cook it.
and we're going to boil this for 5 minutes. We'll be right back with y'all in just a second.
Yeah.
Y'all make sure to stay tuned. We'll do a taste test for y'all, and that'll be it. And let us know in the comments if you like these Philippine recipes, or if it's not for you, that's fine. But just let us know if you do like them.
Yeah.
We love y'all. God bless y'all. We'll be back with y'all in just a second.
Okay. Bye bye. Hello. I'm back. So now it boiled for like how many minutes? Almost 10 minutes. But it's fine because we just let the Pepsi bubble settle. So it's done. We turn it off. Okay, unplug because it's in here. So now we put some here.
You don't pour the soup for this one.
No, you can, but normally I don't get the soup.
The soup of this one, you just dump it out.
Yeah, because I need the taste from the soup now. There. I think some of it looks super ano na, small.
Yeah, these are just like a little nibble in each one. This is
Yeah.
kind of like an appetizer almost.
Yeah. So some people just there's nothing there. So there some people they do look at show them. Because look, it turns super small. The other things are ano very small when I wash. So that's it. But whenever I was at the house and mom's cooking it, he always pours the soup and dump. And then like here at the with the mussels. But let's not do this because it's like Pepsi and this is like Pepsi and I'm used on Sprite. And but I just need the taste of the Pepsi. to make it more sweet. So
So we're not gonna put it in there. Do you want to do a taste test for them real quick?
yeah, you want?
Yeah, you do it.
Because I haven't eaten it.
Yeah, you try a piece of one of them.
I haven't eaten because they said that you should eat. Uh,
No, like a big. Try that one.
wait, I haven't eaten. Because they said my lola said don't eat. I don't eat seafoods if you're still hungry. You need something to eat first before you eat this. It's sweet.
Lola means grandpa. That's if y'all was wondering.
Yeah, it's sweet.
It's good.
Yeah. You want to try?
No, I'll try later. I guess that's all for this one. This is boiled mussels, Philippine style boiled mussel recipe. And that's all for this one. I hope y'all enjoyed the
Yeah.
video. We love y'all. God bless y'all. Let me turn the camera around just to show us.
Yeah. With the mussels.
Yeah. Y'all leave a thumbs up.
Yeah.
Y'all make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's fast and easy. All you gotta do is hit that one button and that's it. But we love y'all. God bless y'all. We'll see y'all on the next one.
And we will eat na.
We're gonna dig in. Here's what else we're having. There's gonna be rice, of course, and this is a different recipe. If you want to see the recipe on this, it'll be uploaded one day before the recipe of this, so you can go back and see the recipe of the other thing we're having. We love y'all. I know I done said it like 5 times, but we'll see y'all on the next one. God bless y'all.
Bye.